Dear students, today we learn two-letter words. Now we going to learn about two-letter words. Two letters have two alphabets or two letters. Let's learn. A N N A T at A S S A M M B E B B Y by D O do G O go H E he H I hi I F if I N in I S is I T it M E me M Y my N O no O F off O R or O N on S O so T O to U S us U P up W E V. Thank you.